Hello LKG class, I am here again to take your classes. Let's start with the English subject. In English, we have done our small cursive Q in yesterday's video. So today we will write here it again that you can practice it perfectly. Okay. So first note down your date, which is 07/05/2020 and topic small cursive Q and classwork. Then you have to start from the first line. I am going to tell you how you will write. As you know it very well that how you will write. First slanting line, make a C and a standing line and a small slanting line. Slanting line, small C and a standing line and small slanting line. Slanting lines, C and a standing line, small slanting line. Okay, so you have to do it like this. You have to write small cursive Q like this. Okay, so do it well. Now I'm going to give you homework that you can make it perfectly and do practice of small cursive Q. So this is your homework which you have to done by your own and practice it properly. Parents, help your ward to do this. Now I am going to take your Hindi subject. In Hindi, today we will write here Vyanjan Ga se Gamla again. So let's start with the date, which is 07/05/2020 and classwork and heading Vyanjan Ga. Okay, so let's start writing. As you know how to write Ga. So first, standing line, make a curve. And a standing line, then a sleeping line. Okay? Standing line, a curve, standing line, and a sleeping line. Standing line, a small curve, and a standing line, then a sleeping line. Okay? So, you have to do your work like this. So, you have to do it like this. Okay, so do it well. Now I'm going to give you a homework that you can practice it perfectly. So this is your homework which you have to done by your own and make it perfectly. So do practice of Ga se Gamla. Parents, help your ward to do this. Now I'm going to take your maths class. In maths, yesterday we have done our counting from 1 to 40. So today we will do here count and write. Okay, you have to count these things and write in front of them. So start from the date, which is 07/05/2020, classwork, topic, count and write. Then you have to start from first, count these stars and write in front of them the number of stars. So count these stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many stars are here? 7. So we will write here 7. Now count these jugs. How many jugs? 1, 2. How many? 2 jugs. So you have to write in front of them 2. Then count these circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many circles? 6. So write here 6. Count these lotus. 1, 2, 3. How many lotus? 1, 2, 3. So write here 3. How many leaves are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 leaves. Okay. Now count these trees. How many trees? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 trees are here. So write here 4. Okay. You have done this type of question topic before, so now you know it very well that how you will do it. So I'm going to give you a homework that you can do it perfectly. So this is your homework which you have to done by your own. Okay, now you know it very well that how you will do it. So do it perfectly. Parents, help your ward to do this.